Gretchen thinks you're mad at her because she's running for spring fling queen. Oh my God, I'm not mad at her. I'm worried about her. I think somebody nominated her as a joke or something. I mean, nobody votes for her. She's going to have a total meltdown. And who's going to have to take care of her? Me. So you don't think anyone will vote for her? Katie, she's not pretty. I mean, that sounds bad, but whatever. The spring fling queen is always pretty. Now, the crazy thing is that it should be Karen, but people forget about her because she's so weird. Anyway, I've got to go. I'm going to bed. Well, she's not mad at you. Hold on. Are you okay? Shh. Hello? If someone says something bad about you, you'd want me to tell you, right? No. What if it was someone you thought was your friend? Whether you... Hold on, Everline. I'm not taking this anymore. Good for you, Gretch. Hello? Let's go out. Okay, hold on. I'm on the Everline with Gretchen. Don't invite Gretchen. She's driving me nuts. Hold on. Okay, hurry up. It's Regina. She wants to hang out with me tonight, but she told me not to tell you. Do not hang out with her. Why? You don't want me to tell you? Ugh, you can tell me. Hold on. Oh my God, she's so annoying. Who is? Who's this? Gretchen. Right. Hold on. Oh my God, she's so annoying. I know, just get rid of her. Okay, what is it? Regina says everyone hates you because you're so weird. She said that? You didn't hear it from me. Little harsh, Gretch. Whatever, she's got a right to know. I can't go out. I'm sick. Boo, you whore.